Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab and sweet corn soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. We'll start by preparing the delicious crab meat and sweet corn kernels. Then, we'll gently simmer everything to create a rich, flavorful broth. Finally, we'll thicken and season the soup to achieve that perfect, comforting consistency. To begin, you'll need about 8 ounces of fresh or canned crab meat, ensuring it's flaked and free of shells. Grab 1 can of creamed sweet corn and another can of whole kernel sweet corn for texture. Also, have 4 cups of good quality chicken broth and 2 large eggs, lightly beaten, ready to go. Start by bringing your 4 cups of chicken broth to a gentle boil in a large pot. Once simmering, add both the creamed and whole kernel sweet corn. Stir well, then carefully fold in the prepared crab meat. Reduce the heat slightly, then slowly drizzle in the 2 beaten eggs, stirring continuously to create delicate ribbons. To thicken your soup, mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with a small amount of cold water to create a slurry. Gradually stir this into the simmering soup until it reaches your desired consistency. Season with a half teaspoon of white pepper and salt to taste. Serve hot, garnished with fresh chopped green onions for a burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.